Cross River State, everybody don't come out, they don't call the guy, they say, come. Ben, who you feel say they talk to? Ben, seriously, sincerely, truly speaking, you they talk to child, I mean they talk to children. Who exactly you they talk to? You go understand why they call the governor like that now, Ben. You know, you go understand why they talk like that. You go so understand that the guy, you know, Obudu Ranch, now they state, the Cross River State, where you cross the river. Okay, Obudu Ranch. The guy say he repair the cable car in Obudu Ranch with 169 million. Then that car, when he repairs, so guess how much he generates? 88 million, 88,000 naira. So you know, so that they won't come off for office, so that they what they call and reconcile their books. Now they put things in order. For the book, so now be expenditure, what they call an income and expenditure. You do economics that year now. Be not one. At one, I said one that year, and we still get good mark. So the guy say the Obudu Ranch, the cable car is spoiled. He used 169 million. You know, they understand me. Te repair. They cost okay, no problem. What it could be the income? Where we say, now we say, they work. You go feel employ some people so that they go work, they go function in that department. More people will gain employment and all. How much it can generate? Brother, sister, not be 88 million. Use 169 million. So if na 88 million, it was okay. No, he generates 88,000 naira. Oh, you know they understand. Must explain that one more time. Okay, I believe so you don't understand that you are a good child, you are a good student. I just they play on, not to say you be shy. What are we talking about? Let's get all the details. I repaired the cable car in Obudu Ranch with 169 million, and the same car generated 88,000 naira. Hey. If you not fear God, I don't know how you go to do again. No. The governor of Cross River State, Ben Ayade, has revealed some of the main reasons why the famous Obudu Ranch located in Cross River State is no longer functional. Ben Ayade revealed that after he became governor of Cross River State, he saw that the cable car located at the Obudu Ranch was no longer functional, and as such, he used 169 million to repair the cable car. He further revealed he brought generators for the ranch and spent another 5 million, yes, for the purchase of fuel. Maybe fuel now, fuel, F-U-E-L. However, Governor Ben Ayade revealed that after spending so much money, the cable car only generated 88,000 naira. Fear God, oh. Somebody say, fear God, oh. Again, I want to tell you, fear God, oh. Make we continue. Ben Ayade said that the harsh condition of the economy in Nigeria has made it impossible for people to pay 1,000 naira for a ride. And the cable car, when they simply can use a bicycle to go around the place. So now where spend the money put? Now be that. Oh, if you not fear God, you not be human being, no. Because we're supposed to fear God. If you be human being, you're supposed to fear. You're supposed to. If you not fear anybody, you're supposed to fear God. You know why? If you put one for your nose, it's called END. It's called the end. So this man say, you know, Obudu Ranch now that year, they rain, people they go there, they go for leisure. You know, it was a resort center where people can go and have, you know, relaxation. People just married, have a wedding couple. And they go there, they go to what they call honeymoon. So they just marry, and maybe we relax so before we go into family life, before we go into after they work, maybe we just enjoy, you know, the whole rig of say more wait, more marry. Okay, may we go enjoy, may we go know ourselves. They call our honeymoon. My people, your brother say the thing die because After he spent, okay, 169 million plus 5 million, I be 174 million. He said now only 88,000 naira. Not be 88 million, no. You get me now. APC government, God go help us. I go sing the song again because na hit. APC government, God go help us. That song, they go give us Grammy. We go collect Grammy for that song. You know what they happen so. And that na 1 in a million, no. How they waste the money when they're supposed to take repair primary school, make pikin for understand the basics of learning in maths and English. Learn ABC, combine that with ITE, so you don't put 2 letters together to EAT, eat, to SAT, a CASAT on a math. Why is it okay to start on the math? You know, now be 3-letter words to my sister. They spoil the foundation. So take pikin go school, enough he read well. Why? The foundation is faulty. Imagine say the house where they stay, so the foundation not good. How the place won't stand? Sometimes you see crack on the wall. Crack, 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 crack. Why? Because they know APC, now because they won't probe bend that year. Now I run leave PDP. Say PDP not be the in thing. No, may we join the in thing. Now I join APC. Now APC through where I come on say continue, ride on so long as you're in our party. You know remember the governor of Zamfara State. Now so that they do. Nigerian politics have not gotten what we call direction. So one size fits all. I feel the APC today, tomorrow na PDP, next tomorrow I dey WPC, the other day I dey TYT. You know why? No direction. But if you go the same country where they call them colonial masters, they get direction. In the sense that you no go see person go jump from Labour Party say they go join Conservative. Why? The ideologies are totally 2 parallel line. And if you know anything about parallel line for mass that year, they know they meet. That is the number 1 understanding that you must have. Yeah, the number 1 prerequisite be say they know they meet. If you like, draw them from here to Namibia. Draw them from here to Japan. They know they meet. But in Nigeria, parallel line they cross, and we go to say yes, na parallel line. This APC government, not only APC, all the governors, what they do, that's why they don't make Peter Obi come. Because they don't study, they work together. They don't study Peter Obi. I not to say Peter Obi has sent to not get me wrong. And I just want to point out my disclaimer. Because I not be God, I know they see everything. I wait now they see now they talk. I don't know. The one I don't know, plenty parts when I know, be saying now God they see all of them. You dey see answer. Peter Obi come, he say, see, I be governor, not shop money. And I want to make sure I replicate such at the federal level. Say, so we go spoil market. No way. Now be the fight where the grounds will not pass like that. Leave us a comment. Bye for now.